There is not many things that is more satisfying than seeing your own creation working as planned. The majority of the components for this machine was 3D printed, with the exception of the silicon seal, the plexiglass barrel, and of course all the pneumatic components. Here you can see how quick and easy it is to assemble the machine. I have not included the assembly of the pneumatics, simply not to bore you with all the details. But remember that if you are interested in getting more details as well as the design, I will gladly share it with you on request. So now that we've seen that the machine can do the basic functions that it is supposed to do, and we see how easy it is to assemble the machine, I guess the next step is to see if it will fill product consistently into bottles, right? So let's do that. From where I'm sitting, it's looking pretty consistent. But how do you measure if this machine really fills consistently? The only way to see is to expose the machine to a real production environment. So in the next video, we will do a small production run with this machine. We will then measure the consistency, and that will tell us if this project was really a success or not. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my work, please subscribe to my channel and you will be updated as soon as I release a new video.